Hello to Songbirds and Key Stage 1 children. It's Mrs Barfield again, ready for another session of watching, listening, moving and singing, I hope, with me. I'm glad to see everybody here today. We're going to start off with a little bit of a warm-up, so stretch your arms really straight and high. And then we're going to breathe in all the way down. Let's do that again. Arms straight up and really stretch up high. Feel the space in your ribs each side. Really stretch up high and then breathe in. Just a lovely, happy sigh. Well done. So we're just going to have a little bit of a bend. So stretch that side of you and a little bit of a bend over, not too much. Just like a tree in the breeze, and the other side, a little bit of a stretch. That's lovely. And then let's just roll our shoulders round a little bit. Oh, that feels good to me. Roll them round, lovely, and slowly. That's lovely. And then let's just have a little shake. Let's have a shake of our shoulders and our elbows and our wrists and our fingers and our hips and our knees and our feet and everything. And then stop. Lovely. So we're going to do a little warm up. We're going to count to 8. We're going to do 8 shakes, one hand, 8 shakes with the other hand, and then 8 shakes with one foot. You can't see mine. And then we're going to change to the other foot. Then we're going to do 4, 4, 4, 4. Then we're going to do 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Hey, are you ready? 8. Off we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change to leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fours. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Hey, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fours. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Legs. 1, 2, 3. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Hey! Oh. Let's have a little shake. Well done. Okay, and we're just going to take our voices for a little walk to an sound. Are you ready to follow my finger? Let's breathe in. Let's go back again. And it went off the end. One more time. Breathe in. This time we're going to do a different sound. We're going to do an sound like the end of sing. So we're going to say sing. We're going to go back again. Ready? Sing. And off the end. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1. 1 1 2 2 3 3 3. 3 3 2 2 1 1. 1 2 3 4 5 5. 5 4 3 2 1 1. Okay, and then let's just stand really well to sing, so our feet a little bit apart, about the width of our hips, a little bit apart so that we're nice and strong, and our shoulders down, our hands down by our side, and try and make the back of your neck nice and long. So I've got a silver chain and I'm just going to pull it and pretend that the back of my neck is just going to get really nice and long so that I'm not straining at the front here. That's lovely. So we're going to do a little song today which has been written by our Mrs Atherton. Thank you, Mrs Atherton, for this song. It's called How Am I Feeling Today? How am I feeling today? Well, I might be a little bit sad. I might be feeling joyful. I might be feeling a little bit worried. How are you feeling today? So this song is all about how we're feeling. It's got some lovely words and some lovely descriptions. So I need my ukulele. Have a little listen. How am I feeling today? Try. How am I feeling today? How am I feeling today? Try. How am I feeling today? How am I feeling today? I'm okay. So have a listen. How am I feeling today? How am I feeling today? How am I feeling today? I'm okay. That happens twice, so let's do it all again. How am I feeling today? How am I feeling today? How am I feeling today? I'm okay. Let's do all that again. So those two phrases come twice. How am I feeling today? Ready. How am I feeling today? How am I feeling today? How am I feeling today? I'm okay. How am I feeling today? How am I feeling today? How am I feeling today? I'm okay. And then it goes, sometimes I feel just a little bit sad. Sometimes I feel just a little bit sad. Have a listen. Sometimes I feel just a little bit sad. Try. Sometimes I feel just a little bit sad. Sometimes I feel just a little bit sad. One more time. And sometimes I feel just a little bit sad. The next bit goes, sometimes I feel ever so lonely. Sometimes I feel, oh, not lonely, ever so angry. Sometimes I feel ever so angry. Sometimes I feel ever so angry. Let's put those two bits together. Sometimes I feel just a little bit sad. Sometimes I feel ever so angry. Ready? Sometimes I feel just a little bit sad. Sometimes I feel ever so angry. And then it goes, Sometimes I feel lonely, worried and blue. Try. Sometimes I feel lonely, worried and blue. Again. Sometimes I feel lonely, worried and blue. And that's okay. Lonely, worried and blue. And the tune is the same as the little bit sad tune. So it goes. Sometimes I feel lonely, worried and blue. And that's okay. Sometimes I feel lonely, worried and blue, and that's okay. One more time. Sometimes I feel lonely, worried and blue, and that's okay. 1, 2, 3. I'm just fine. So let's do that whole section. Sometimes I feel just a little bit sad. Sometimes I feel ever so angry. Sometimes I feel lonely, worried and blue. And that's okay. I'm just fine. Ready? Sometimes I feel just a little bit sad. Sometimes I feel ever so angry. Sometimes I feel lonely, worried and blue. And that's okay. I'm just fine. How am I feeling today? How am I feeling today? How am I feeling today? I'm okay. Again. How am I feeling today? How am I feeling today? How am I feeling today? I'm okay. Sometimes I feel just a little bit sad. Sometimes I feel ever so angry. Sometimes I feel lonely, worried and blue, and that's okay. I'm just fine. How am I feeling today? How am I feeling today? How am I feeling today? I'm okay. How am I feeling today? How am I feeling today? How am I feeling today? I'm okay. And have a listen to the next bit. It goes. Sometimes I feel like jumping for joy. Try. Sometimes I feel like jumping for joy. Then it goes. Sometimes I feel ever so jolly. So we've got jumping for joy, and then we've got jolly. So that's quite easy to remember. See if you can sing it with me. Ready? Sometimes I feel like jumping for joy. Sometimes I feel ever so jolly. And then it goes, sometimes I feel excited, happy and glad. Sometimes I feel excited, happy and glad. Again, sometimes I feel excited, happy and glad. And that's okay. Excited, happy and glad. Ready? Sometimes I feel excited, happy and glad, and that's okay. I'm just fine. Let's see if we can do the whole song through. If you've forgotten some of those words, don't worry, just have a listen. Join in with the bits that you do know. Probably the whole of the first bit, and then the little, and that's okay. I'm just fine. I'll help you as much as I can. Are we ready? How am I? How am I feeling today? How am I feeling today? How am I feeling today? I'm okay. How am I feeling bit sad. Sometimes I feel ever so angry. Sometimes I feel lonely, worried and blue, and that's okay. I'm just fine. How am I feeling today? How am I feeling today? How am I feeling today? I'm okay. How am I feeling today? How am I feeling today? How am I feeling today? I'm okay. Sometimes I feel like jumping for joy. Sometimes I feel ever so jolly. Sometimes I feel excited, happy and glad, and that's okay. I'm just fine, and that's okay. I'm just fine. Did you do your best? Did you fit some of those words in? Well done. Thank you, Mrs. Atherton. I love your little song about how we're feeling today. I've brought something to show you today. I wonder if you know what they are. I'm going to hold them nice and close. I wonder if you know what those flowers are. I picked them from my front garden. Can you see? They are white and green. They've got little green marks, haven't they? Lovely, pretty little marks on the outside of some of those petals and inside as well. Green and white. Can you see how they nod their heads? I love snowdrops. They're one of the first flowers of the year. So that makes me feel that spring is coming. So we're going to do a song called Snowdrop. And it goes. Snowdrop, snowdrop, standing on the hill. Can you try that? Snowdrop. And can you make the p sound? Snowdrop, snowdrop, standing on the hill. Snowdrop, snowdrop, standing on the hill. Green and white, pure and bright, snowdrop. Green and white, pure and bright snowdrop. See if you can do that all in one breath. Big breath. Green and white, and then pure and bright snowdrop. And let your voice just float over the top. So that's the first verse. The second verse is snowdrop, nod your head for me, and the rest is the same. It goes snowdrop, snowdrop, nod your head for me. Snowdrop, snowdrop, nod your head for me. Green and white, pure and bright, snowdrop. And the third verse is snowdrop, snowdrop, shining in the sun. And the rest is the same. So it goes snowdrop, snowdrop, shining in the sun. Can you really open your mouth? Shining in the sun. Snowdrop, snowdrop, shining in the sun. Green and white. Green and white, pure and bright, pure and bright, snowdrop. And then we sing the first verse Again, can you remember what it was? Standing on the hill. We're going to do the song all the way through with some music. So I'm going to help you with my actions. So that's my snowdrop standing on the hill, that's nod your head for me, and shining in the sun. Well done. And at the end, have a little listen. There's going to be some music playing at the end, and I wonder if you can guess what it might be. Flute music. So I'm going to mime playing my flute at the end. So have a listen out for that. Are you ready? Snowdrop, snowdrop, standing on the hill. Here we go. Snowdrop, snowdrop, standing on the hill. Snowdrop, snowdrop, standing on the hill. Green, green and white, pure and bright, snowdrop. Snowdrop, snowdrop, nod your head for me. Snowdrop, snowdrop, nod your head for me. Green, green and white, pure and bright, snowdrop. Snowdrop, snowdrop, shining in the sun. You have a go. Snowdrop, snowdrop, shining in the sun. Green, green and white, pure and bright, snowdrop. Snowdrop, snowdrop, standing on the hill. Snowdrop, snowdrop, standing on the hill. Green, green and white, pure and bright, snowdrop. Well, that's our lovely snowdrop song. Did you play the flute at the end? Have a look out, see if you can see some snowdrops, or maybe you saw some, maybe you've seen some before, maybe you saw some last week in your garden, or maybe in some woodland. They're very beautiful flowers, aren't they? And a sign of spring and hope. Okay, we're going to have a little game. I'm going to teach you a little song. It's called Wake Snake. Can you say that? Wake Snake. Those lovely k sounds. Wake snake. Daylight is breaking. Wake snake. Daylight is breaking. Porridge in the pot and the pancakes are baking. Porridge in the pot and the pancakes are baking. Green corn, green corn, green corn. So the tune goes like this. Wake, snake, daylight is breaking. Have a go. Wake, snake, daylight is breaking. Then it goes. Porridge in the pot and the pancakes are baking. Porridge in the pot and the pancakes are baking. Wake snake, ready? Wake snake, daylight is breaking. Porridge in the pot and the pancakes are baking. Green corn, green corn, green corn. So we've got green corn, and then we've got a count of 4 beats. Rest. Then we go green corn a little bit higher. Green corn. Green corn. Green corn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wake, snake. Daylight is breaking. Porridge in the pot and the pancakes are baking. Green corn. Green corn. Green corn. Okay, we're going to sing it together, and then instead of counting and waiting, I'm going to tap you a rhythm, and I want you to see if you can clap back the same rhythm. So let's see how it works. Ready with wake, snake. Off we go, wake, snake. Daylight is breaking, porridge in the pot and the pancakes are baking. Green corn. Green corn. Green corn. So I play my rhythm once and you copy it twice. Well done. So I'm going to do a different rhythm next time, so remember it, and then you can clap it 2 times. Are you ready? Ready, steady, off we go. Wake, snake, daylight is breaking. Porridge in the pot and the pancakes are baking. Green corn. Green corn. Green corn. Wake, snake, daylight is breaking. Porridge in the pot and the pancakes are baking. Green corn. Green corn. Green corn. Wake, snake, daylight is breaking. Porridge in the pot and the pancakes are baking. Green corn. Green corn. Green corn. Well done. Okay, I'm going to put my beater and my little wooden tulip. It's the shape of a tulip. It's a little tulip wood block. Put those down, and we're going to sing our goodbye song together. It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. It's been lovely to have your company. I'm glad you joined me, and I'm feeling really happy today, and I hope to see you all soon. So it's bye-bye from me for now. Bye-bye.